Hello, children. Today's story is called Animal Homes. Animals live all around us. Birds build their homes up high, and so do bees. Spiders spin their homes. Tiny termites build tall homes. Snails and tortoises grow homes on their backs. Fish live in water. Frogs can live in water and on land. Rabbits and rats live in burrows under the ground. Monkeys and apes make trees their homes. Bears and wolves live in dens. Crocodiles live in swamps. Deer live in forests, and so do tigers. Some animals live close to us, and some live far away. But do you know what we have in common with all the animals of the world? We all build our homes in one large home, planet Earth.